Today, I traded snow. I was able to lock in $10,000 profit on the day trading snow. What do I do? Just hit the...
press the button. Yeah, we'll be good to go after that.
Okay. What is up, guys, and welcome to my new office. Since I just moved into my new office, I thought this was the perfect time to introduce this new series I'm going to be starting. So one day a week, I'm going to be documenting my life. I might be sitting here all day and trading, or I might be traveling the world. Whatever it is I'm doing, I'm going to be taking you guys along. I've got a cameraman. He's right there. So wherever I go, he goes. This is going to help grow the community. We've got a very large community, but I know a lot of you guys don't know too much about me and my life. So the goal is to document some of that and at the same time, share my trades and share what I'm doing in the stock market and ultimately help each and every one of you learn how to trade. So if you're interested in trading and if you want to know more about what the life entails of a full-time day trader, then this series hopefully will be interesting. So as many of you guys know, I have been working pretty much from my house and I've never had an office. I've never had a space to go to work. So getting this office has helped me, separate that work and home life. Now, it's really hard when you're trading and you're spending 8 to 10 hours a day on your computer to get up and go out and do stuff. I was never leaving my house and just sitting at home all day. So having this office doesn't only give me a space to get away from the house. It's not just something for my, mental well-being. It's also to be able to take this community to another level of professionalism. Now, I want to continue growing this community, and part of that is having a space to, grow and expand. So an office to take things to the next level and, become a little more professional. As you can see, this is my setup behind me. Got the 6 monitors, 2 TVs. I've got golf on one of the TVs, which I just have running all day. I leave golf on in the background. And then the stock market channel pretty much all day. My old setup, I used to run a standing desk and 4 monitors, 2 vertical and 2 horizontal. I've gone with the 6 monitors to allow me to pretty much see more all at once. Improving workflow helps me make decisions faster. It helps me communicate with my group. I can have a separate screen just for the Discord. And typically, the top right, I'm gonna be looking at the NASDAQ, the S&P, the Russell. It gives me an insight or an overview of what's happening on the day within the overall market. Now, if I'm making a trade, typically if I am scalping, I will be using this bottom right monitor. Now, this is always looking at charts on the 1-minute time frame. The 1-minute time frame helps me and allows me to make quick trades and enter and exit trades, at a faster pace than, say, the 4-hour time frame, which is this middle monitor. This is where I'm gonna be working on most of my swing trades. Today, I traded snow. I was able to lock in $10,000 profit on the day trading snow. Now, that was a position that I entered yesterday and swung into today. Right now, you can see SPY right now on the 1-minute is selling off. Okay, I know now that the market's pulling back. We can see the NASDAQ, the Russell pulling back. Ultimately, this new setup helps me be more efficient, improve my trading, and my workflow. It's a great setup, especially when I'm sitting here 10 hours a day. I've got this great chair. Everyone keeps asking what it is. It's a Herman Miller. I've got my watch case for my watches, and I've got the GT3 RS in the background, which I've taken everywhere with me. As far as the office, I got a Peloton. If I'm sitting here 8 hours a day, I thought it would be nice to have a Peloton in the office that I can jump on and spin, get a couple, miles in whenever I want during the day. If I'm in the office and I'm getting antsy, the day's not going well, the day's going well, whatever. Real quick, I'll hop on the Peloton. Got a nice couch, got a big TV, pretty much bought the biggest TV I could. Nice spot to sit and eat, look out over the city. I've got all the camera gear, I can fit everything. With that said, I'm so excited to be in this new space, not only for myself to have a space to go to and work all day, but to continue growing this group, this community. I know this was a shorter video, and please bear with us as we figure out how we are gonna shoot these weekly episodes. It's gonna take a while for us to get the hang of it. But if you guys are interested in learning more about trading and learning more about what it's like to be a full-time day trader, make sure to subscribe. And with that said, I'll see you guys in next week's episode.